Hey, what's up, Internet? It is Andrew, otherwise known as Drewicious. I am trying several new things all at once right this very moment. Number one, I'm going live. I haven't done that yet, so I hope this works. If it doesn't, there's no one to blame but me. And number two, I'm going to try a new format based on a little bit of feedback I got. I'm going to see if it's helpful for me to review today's trades and to go over my watch list for tomorrow. Actually, I'm not going to go over today's trades because I don't have my note-taking application available for doing that. So I guess we're just going to look at tomorrow's alerts, and then I'll try to have it all set to look at those results tomorrow, if people care about this or not. We'll find out. Before we do anything, guys, I would love it if you could click like. It helps me out, build the channel a little bit, and it gives me some encouragement to keep doing this because it costs you nothing to come here. I said encouragement like it was Canadian. I don't know why I enunciated it that much. But yeah, if you can, click a button. It helps me out. Today, I already told you what we're going to do, so we're just going to jump into it, I think. I'm going to hide these slides here. Actually, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go this way, and then I'm going to turn this off, and we're going to take a look at Thinkorswim. We're going to look here at my actual alerts that I have up set for today, today being December 29th, 2022. Here are all the things that I came up with after looking through my screenings tonight. So we're looking at Square, Baba, Tesla, Meta, Slumberger, AMD, SPY, Oracle, and FXI. We're going to take a quick run through each of them. I'll tell you there's already a description in here on the alerts themselves. These alerts are available inside of the Discord for trading day. If you guys are interested in it, there's a link on drewsbasement.com where you can get there. You can just let them know you found it through Drew's Basement. There is a bouncer at the door. And I'm also looking into some options. If you guys are interested on the website, you can vote for if these would be helpful to get in other ways too. Maybe you don't do Discord. Maybe you're not in this Discord. Maybe, getting them on YouTube is the best bet for you. I don't know. I'm just trying to figure out how to share this stuff. So give me some feedback on what works best for you, and I'll try to get into that shape. So we're going to run through these things real quick. We're going to look at some of these charts from the things that are in here, kind of going upwards. Baba, I've got these guys in for a strangle. They were an inside day. So I've got a marker set for the break of the parent in either direction. They've had a lot of consolidation here. So I am looking to see if these guys don't make a move in one way or the other. Might not be tomorrow. There will definitely be a move at some point here as China, either breaks down out of this kind of move up or continues its path that direction. Square, same thing, another inside day, a very tight inside day with a lot of consolidation. I like this consolidation, and if we get in here really close, we can actually see that this is an inside, outside, inside setup. So that is 3 days of consolidation after other days of consolidation. So I'm definitely interested in seeing if Square reacts. I expect it will react to jobs data tomorrow. We do have jobs data coming out tomorrow, so it would be unusual for there not to be some sort of a reaction to that kind of a data drop. We love catalyst in this market. Disney was on my list for today. That trigger fired. We're not going to review that. Coin BTU. Sorry, I'm just kind of clicking through. I know that I've got more of them on here. Meta was one of the ones on the list. Meta I threw on here. It's a little hard to see in the current setup here, but we do have a triangle forming here. Again, a lot of consolidation, and you can see here that the TTM squeeze has actually gone into consolidation here for the last 2 days, or we're in a squeeze for 2 days. So maybe the move's not tomorrow. Maybe it comes afterwards. I think it'll be tomorrow. So I'm looking at a strangle on this if we don't lose the play before market open. AMD was one of the ones that fired today. Looks like we can go ahead and cancel that upper alert. We don't need that one anymore. Apple had I did not play that one earlier. Tesla is in here. This one had an almost inside day. We broke the low of the previous candle by about 25 cents. I'm going to play it, or at least I'm looking at it in very much the same manner that I would an inside candle, given that those stop losses from the previous candle probably didn't get triggered with only a quarter, especially not on this one, given how volatile it is. I am only setting an alert for the upside on this one. I had called out actually last night that I felt like we were due for a bounce. We hit a couple of critical levels here. There's definitely still another critical level below, so hey, we may just continue our slide on downward. But as of today, Tesla was the only green ticker on my watch list. Everybody else was bleeding, while Tesla vacillated between about 1%. We got down to about 0.5% above and about 6% above. So Tesla is showing some relative strength today. I don't know if it'll continue tomorrow, but if it does, I'm interested in seeing if we can get up into this range. And I think there's a little bit of reckoning coming with this one. I mean, look, a lot of large positions have exited this ticker in the last week or two. So it's not like we're going to go back to all-time highs anytime soon, but we could, I think, see, especially if the jobs data is good, I could see this coming back, overcoming this range here, and then making a move up a little bit. So we'll see what happens. Let's bounce back in here. Who didn't we talk about? So we talked about Square, Baba, Tesla, Meta, SLB we didn't talk about. So let's go take a quick look at them and see what we're looking for with them. We are here. This has been all over the place. We have a bit of a broadening formation forming here. I'm looking to find out if we break this high from several days ago. Actually, that's probably more like a couple weeks ago. So it looks like we did drop today. So we still have an upwards trend. We're still above a couple of moving averages here. So overall, we're still bullish, and this is a little bit of a flag formation. So potentially, if this is a flag formation, this would be a break. And if we continue to go up that direction, I could see us moving up and potentially looking towards the high of the current structure, maybe beyond. We'll see. We may just fail and fall out of the sky for all I know. We'll see tomorrow. SPY is an older alert. I feel like we fell away from that one. We're going to clear that one off the list. Oracle is still in the range. These are two swings, so I'm not going to call these two out because they are from a couple days ago. So those are those are the alerts that I've got for tomorrow. Again, if you're interested in getting these as they occur, in real time, either via text or via email, go to Drew's Basement. Let me know that you're interested in this, and I will continue working on it. I don't actually want to invent how to do that unless people care. But other than that, please, once again, leave a like if this is helpful. If you want me to continue doing these tomorrow, I'm going to do these for a couple days just to see how it bounces. Tomorrow, I'll be back with another watch list and the performance for these alerts. Today, how do we do today? I've actually got the thing up here. You guys just can't see it. I wonder if I can. We're gonna wing it. I know we're live, but let's just wing it here and see if maybe I can add this in real quick. It would be this one, and we're going to call it. I use OneNote to keep track of all of my trades, and there it is. Doesn't want to show that one. All right. Never mind. I guess I can't show that to you, but I can tell you what it was. So my alerts from last night, the ones that triggered were Disney below 85.75. That one ran for 140% today. QQQ I called out for below 262.25. That one ran 50%. Nvidia I called out below above 140.5. That one ran for 40%. AMD below 62.7. That one ran for 35%. And Enphase I called out below 273.75. That one ran for 70%. So I had a very good day on the list. And that is, by the way, all of the alerts that triggered. I'm not hiding the ones that did poorly. That was all of them. 5 calls that actually triggered on the alerts. All of them went for winners, so it felt like a pretty good day. That's not every day, I promise. I have days where none of them work out the way that I want, but today was a good day. So we'll be back tomorrow. We'll see how it works out then, and let me know if you want to see more of these. All right, everybody, that's all of it. We'll see you next time. Cheers.